Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the 2026 Suzuki DR800S Big Desert, a rugged adventure bike built to tackle the toughest terrains. With raw power, off-road prowess, and a no-nonsense design, this bike is ready for your next adventure. Let's explore what makes it so special. The DR800S Big Desert features a rugged, no-frills design with a high-mounted fender, spoked wheels, and a slim, lightweight frame. Its aggressive stance and durable build scream off-road capability. Powered by an 800cc single-cylinder engine, it delivers 75 horsepower and 55 lb-ft of torque. With strong low-end grunt and a smooth power band, it's perfect for tackling sand, mud, and rocky trails. The DR800S comes with essential off-road tech, including a digital display, LED lighting, and long travel suspension. It also features tubeless tires and a large fuel tank for extended adventures. With adjustable suspension, off-road tires, and a lightweight chassis, the DR800S offers unmatched handling on rough terrains. Its upright riding position and comfortable seat make it ideal for long rides. The 2026 Suzuki DR800S Big Desert is expected to start at $10,000. It's set to hit dealerships in early 2026, offering adventure seekers a reliable and powerful off-road companion. The DR800S parked at the top of a sand dune. 2026 Suzuki DR800S Big Desert. Adventure awaits. That's it for today's video. What do you think of the 2026 Suzuki DR800S Big Desert? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exciting updates on the world of motorcycles. Until next time, keep exploring the wild.